Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you all how to check whether an entered number is even or odd. We will use if else feature and the modulus operator to do this. And we will also see the complete explanation, the execution and compilation of the program. So let's start this video. So let's start the program. In the notepad we will type, the first line will be import java.util.scanner. It means that we want to use scanner class of util package in our program. After this line we will write the name of our class. Let's give the name to the class EO. Okay, it can be anything else. Then the scope of the class will begin with the help of an opening braces. Then we will write the main function, public static void main. Then we will mention the arguments of the main function. After that main function we will create an object of scanner class so that we can access the methods of scanner class. Okay, again we will put an opening braces to start the scope of main function. Let's create an object of scanner class. For that we will write the name of the scanner class, then we will give a space, and then we will write the object name. Let's give object name sc equal to new scanner system.in. So memory will be allocated for this particular object. Then after we will create a variable which will be storing the value entered by the user. So let's declare a variable. The variable type we will put int, that is integer. Then we will give a space, we will write the name of the variable n. Then the next step is we will give a message to user so that the user can give a value. The message will be enter a number. So with the help of system.out.print function we will give a message, enter a number. When the user sees this message, user tries to give a value. When the user gives a value to us, we will store this value in n. Okay, to store this value, what we are going to do, we will call the next int function along with the help of object. So we will write n equal to sc dot next int. So we will get the inputted value by the user and it will be stored in n. It's time to check whether the number is even or odd. For that we will divide the number by 2. It means we will module it by 2. Modulus operator is used for what? It is used to check whether it gives us the remainder. So modulus operator will return a remainder. If a number is moduled by 2 means if there is any remainder, let's compare it. If the remainder is 0, it means the number is even. If this condition is true, if there is no remainder after the division by 2, then it means that number is even. But if this condition is false, we will give else part. We will write there else, and then we will write the number is odd. It means that after the division by 2, if there is any remainder, the message will be the number is odd. This is a program of if else. If the condition is true, the first message will be printed. If the condition is false, the other message, the else message will be printed. After completing this else part, we need to close the main function and we need to close the class. After closing this all, we will go to file, we will go to save, and save as dialog box appears. Okay, after that we have to do what? We have to specify the name of the program. We will write there eo.java. We will change the save as type. We will select there all type, save it. Let's go to cmd. In cmd we will write here java c, then program name.java, java c program name.java, that is eo.java. Program is compiled. it's time to execute it. Write down, type there java space eo only. Then what will happen? Program will be executed. Enter a number 35, and what is the output? 35 is odd. Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.